have it all taken care of by the time that we get that done.
Hey, Selena, where do you want this?
In the back of your truck. Hey guys, we're back again with another giveaway video for our grand opening event on June 27th. Today we got something else besides the trailer, and I'm gonna let Giovanni take it from here.
Thank you, Selena. I want to go ahead and thank Shocker Hitch for sending one of their nice Shocker Hitches here to us for our grand opening. It's got a pretty cool set of features here. One being the stem here. It's gonna be a round multi-fit stem, and the coupler here is gonna be a gooseneck coupler. It's gonna fit your 2 5/16. It's got the easy Demco latch here, and it's gonna make a very, very smooth ride for all your hauling and towing needs. So no more bumpiness, it's gonna be all steady.
Hey, and if that sounds like something you wanna be a part of, then hey, come on down June 27th for our grand opening event. Put your name in the bucket so you can win this awesome Shocker Hitch. And hey, once again, we have over $40,000 in giveaways, so you're missing out if you're not coming. We got so many things, we have more to come, so stay tuned. Sheesh, shocking how windy it is today.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy, not gonna lie.